Hey guys, welcome back to another not a Minecraft video. This is a tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you how to download Mechvibes. This is like a software that lets you change the sound of your keyboard. So, for example, if you have really annoying blue switches, I don't have blue switches, but if you want to change your keyboard sound to like a really cool switch, this is a way to do it. So, you go to this site called mechvibes.com. Put the link in the description. Go to the site and then you click download the latest release. Download Mechvibes for 64-bit Windows. I don't think this will work on Mac because I don't see a download for Mac here. So if you're a Mac user, I don't think you can really use this. Now it's automatically set to blue, so I'm just going to do a quick sound test. Now, I don't really want to put blue switches, so we're going to just try everything. So yeah, that's how you use Mechvibes. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe. I'm trying to make my video quality better. So yeah. Also make sure to like the video because it helps out the channel a lot. I don't know how. And it's going to be the best deal of your life, so just make sure to do that.